In today's video, I will walk you through how to give access to developer on Shopify. To get started, go to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the lower left corner of the screen and click on Settings. After opening the Settings section, go to Users. This is where you can manage access and permissions for people who need to work on your store. Once you're inside the Users section, click on Security. In this area, you'll find the Collaborators section. This is where you can provide access to designers, developers, marketers, and other partners who need to work on your Shopify store. In the Collaborator section, locate your Collaborator code. Copy this code and send it to the developer or partner who needs access to your store. After receiving the Collaborator code, your partner will need to use it when requesting access to your Shopify store through Shopify partners. They can go to Shopify partners, select stores, and submit an access request for your store using the Collaborator code you provided. Once the request is submitted, you can review and manage the access request inside Shopify. There is also another way to provide access. Return to the Users section of your Shopify settings. From there, click Add Users, enter your email, then when adding a user, you can control exactly what they are allowed to access. Review the available roles and permissions, then choose the ones that match the level of access you want to provide. You can limit access to specific areas of your store or grant broader permissions depending on the person's responsibilities. If needed, you can also create a new role and assign custom permissions. This allows you to decide exactly what the developer can view, edit, or manage inside your Shopify store. Once you have selected the appropriate permissions and roles, complete the setup and save your changes. The developer will then have access based on the permissions you assigned. And that's all there is to it. By using either Collaborator access or user accounts, you can provide developers with the level of access they need while maintaining control over your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.